Alright, we're playing Bao Zhu Zhao Fu. We got the blue one, the zone boost. Let's go light it up. Oh, cool. If we have, it's been a long time.
Oh, come on.
Alright, we got 2 positions filled, 2 spins remaining. Oh yeah, I know.
Oh, come on, just
Alright, so blue is halfway there, green is halfway there.
come on, give us one.
Alright, well, as long as we get one. Oh, okay, so purple is 1 away, green is 1 away, blue is 2 away.
This is zone. Come on. Zone coverage. Oh, man.
Last spin.
Okay, let's just get one.
There you go.
Keep us going.
Alright, so we're 1 away on all 4.
Any one of them.
I think we're gonna get 1, right?
We got 3 spins. Get one.
Oh, where is that? Big pot, flaming pot. There you go. We got the 5X.
Keep it going.
I saw a mini up there.
Oh, that's in the, oh, I didn't see it. Come on, just give us one. Just one.
Alright, we got 2.
All right. Oh, red one.
Oh, come on now. I saw the mini was in there.
Come on, just give us one. One. Oh.
Alright, well that's great. A lot of mock players. Big win for Bao Zhu Zhao Fu. Zone boost win.
That's a neat one.
That's a nice one. Yeah.
I remember seeing that.
No, I don't think we played this version before.
Yeah, I think we always play that.
Oh, we played it and didn't get anything. Alright. Well, we'll back that up a little bit. That was a nice explosion. We still got the extra spins ready to go.
A lot of green too.
Oh, that's close. That's nice. Yeah. Alright, well that's Bao Zhu Zhao Fu featuring bonus boost. Bum, bum, bum. Well, that's enough. That was fun. I like that one a lot.